Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to fix a Mustang bumper. First, carefully inspect the damage to understand its extent. Is it a minor scratch, a deep gouge, or a significant crack? Knowing the material, typically plastic, will guide your repair method. You'll need a clean workspace and essential tools such as various grits of sandpaper, a plastic repair kit, and safety gear. Proper assessment is the crucial first step to a successful and lasting repair. For minor scratches and scuffs, start by cleaning the bumper surface meticulously. Use a mild automotive soap and water, followed by a wax and grease remover. Next, gently sand the affected area with 400 grit sandpaper, feathering the edges. This creates a smooth surface for paint adhesion. Apply a few very thin coats of touch-up paint, allowing each layer to dry for about 15 minutes before the next. Finish with a clear coat for protection. When dealing with cracks or small holes, begin by cleaning the area and sanding around the damage. Create a small V-groove along the crack to give the filler a better bond. Mix and apply a specialized 2-part plastic repair epoxy or body filler, pressing it firmly into the crack or hole. Ensure it slightly overfills the area. Let it cure fully, which can take up to 30 minutes, then sand it down smoothly using progressively finer grits, starting with 180 grit. After the repair is smooth, clean the entire area one final time. Apply 2 to 3 light, even coats of automotive primer, allowing 10 minutes of flash time between coats. Once dry, wet sand the primer with 800 grit sandpaper until perfectly smooth. Now, apply several thin, even coats of your color-matched paint, letting each coat dry for about 15 minutes. Finish with 2 to 3 coats of clear coat for durability and shine, ensuring a professional result.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.